Hi everyone, my name is Marylou Edwards and I'm with Zoom Loans here in Tracy. And I thought I'd share a few tips on how to get your credit scores higher. A few little tidbits about credit card do's and don'ts and how to maximize your credit card use is two things. Basically, it's your payment history and your utilization ratio. So those two things, which is 65% of your score, is all fully based on your credit card usage. So it's not student loans, it's not car payments, installment loans, it's all credit cards. And having open credit cards, let's say two or three at the most, reporting very low balances and on-time payments will give you the most points for each month. And if you're carrying high balances, then pay off the cards with the smaller balances first to help offset your overall utilization. And then try to keep a very small balance on your credit card so it looks like you're not inactive and you are going to be gaining points. So the lower your balances on your credit card, uh, the higher your scores will be when your credit is pulled. Also, if you have, if you start paying off and paying higher than minimum payments, then sometimes these credit card companies will actually increase your credit limit. So that helps a lot with your utilization ratio, which is the 30% of your score. So keep your balances lower than 30% of your credit limit. So if your limit is $1,000, you should never ever charge more than $300 at any given time during the month. And then try and pay that off or leave like, I don't know, $50 left on there so that you have some credit history going on. So if you go over that 30%, it will really lower your credit score. So be careful about maxing out those credit cards. You don't want that. And then if you have to, then do balance transfers and use the other card so that you're at the 30% or less. When you close credit cards, it's actually really bad for your score because then your utilization ratio goes down, right? And then if you're worried about missing payments, put everything on auto pay. Now that we have bill pay at the bank, you can easily do like the minimum $35, $50 every month on each card, so you never ever forget. If you really want to have a much better score, then keep your balances at 10% of the limit and set up like monthly subscriptions, like through Netflix or on Spotify or one of those, so that you're always using your credits as well. If you have any trouble opening a card, then try for a prepaid secured card. So those are some of the tricks and tips that I can share with you, being in the business for so long. But I'm happy to discuss with you how we can get your scores up, what you can do now to better yourself and be ready when you're ready to buy a house. So hopefully that helped. And you can feel free to call me 925-285-5333. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you.